Assalamu alaikum, sir. Today we are excited to present our project titled Doctor Appointment Booking System. This project was developed for our course Web and Database Management System. I am Muhammad Chanda Khatun and my teammates are Jannatul Sultana Tamanna and SK Tahmid Mustafa. Let's dive into the presentation. This is the homepage of our doctor appointment management system. It's the first point of interaction for users. At the top, we have a navigation bar with links to home, doctors, login, and register. The banner introduces the service and encourages users to get started with a booking. This page focuses on clarity and ease of use to help patients access appointments quickly. This is also included to the homepage of our website. This is the registration page for patients. Here, new users can sign up by entering their full name, email, mobile number, and password. We also have added form validation to ensure correct and secure data input. Once submitted, the details are stored in the database and the patients can then log in to their dashboard. This is the registration page for doctor. Here a doctor can sign up by entering his or her full name, email, mobile number and password. And this page represents the registration page for assistant. Here a assistant also have to sign up by their full name, email, mobile number and password. This page represents the doctor's dashboard. Once logged in, doctors can see all their upcoming appointments that is represented in this slide. Appointments are listed in order. Doctors can view patient details, approve or cancel appointments, and also make visits as complete. This interface helps doctor to manage their daily schedule efficiently. From this page, a doctor can log out from our website. Now I would like to hand over the remaining presentation to my teammate Jannatul Sultana Tamanna. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Janatul Sultana Tamanna, student ID 190941. I will explain which focuses on the patient side of the system, showing how users interact with the platform to manage their appointments. In this page, it is showing patient dashboard. After logging in, the patient land on this dashboard. The top section shows a successful message like registered successfully to confirm the action. There are three main buttons. Uh, Book new appointment, my appointment, and view your serial number among appointments. In the next page, clicking book new appointment takes the patient to the page where they can select a doctor, choose a date, and pick a time slot. This interface is simple and user friendly to ensure every non-technical users can book easily. Here, patient can book appointment. The slide shows the process in action. Once the patient selects all required details and confirms, the appointment is saved in the database. A confirmation message is displayed on successful booking. Patient appointments section. This section allows patients to view all their upcoming or past appointments. They can keep track of appointment status, time, and doctor's name in a list view format. Patient can reschedule. If needed, patient can reschedule any of their upcoming appointments. They simply click a reschedule button next to the appointment, choose a new date and time and confirm. In this page, after rescheduling, a message is shown to confirm the update. This feature reduces the need for calling or visiting the hospital to change a date. In this page, patient appointments section. Here we see the updated appointment after rescheduling. This ensures transparency for the user and avoids confusion. In this page, the patient is selecting the option to view their serial number for an appointment. This option is especially helpful in busy hospitals where knowing your queue position helps manager time better. The user clicks a button labeled something like View Serial among appointments to begin the process. Here the system displays the serial number. After clicking the database, it shows exactly where the patient stands in the doctor's queue. This transparency builds user trust and reduces confusion about waiting time. In this slide, we see the final output with more details. For example, the doctor's name, date of the experiment, and current position of the serial. This gives the patient a full picture and allows them to decide whether to wait or reschedule if necessary. This slide again highlights the dashboard where all options are visible. Booking. This slide again highlights the dashboard where all options are visible: booking, viewing, rescheduling, and checking serial. Patient can cancel appointment. If a patient cannot attend, they can cancel an appointment directly. A cancel button is provided which removes the appointment from the system and frees up the time slot. Patient logged out. Finally, when everything is done, the patient can log out safely. This ends the session and keeps the system secure. From slide 12 to 24 showcase how a patient can register and log in, book, view, reschedule or cancel appointments, view their queue position and log out securely. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Thanks to my teammate, I'm Iskat Ahmed Mustafa. Now I am presenting the payment system. Patient can payment. Here we are in the dashboard of a patient, and in the dashboard we can see there are two appointments. One appointment is cancelled, but another appointment we see there is a payment option. After clicking on payment option, a patient can pay. After clicking on payment option, he or she can see the here is the make payment page, and in this page he can enter the amount. After entering the amount, he should press the submit button. After entering amount 500, after submitting button, he can see the payment details. Payment is successful and patient appointment number is 22. Here is the name of the patient and the amount. Amount is 500 that the patient entered. Status. This is the payment status which is paid, and the time and date of the payment is recorded with the payment system. Now come to the dashboard. The dashboard shows that there is no payment option, pay option. Here is the status paid, and if patient wants, he can see the receipt. Here is the receipt. Now come to the dashboard. Here is the doctor's dashboard. A doctor can refund. Clicking on refund, doctor is redirected to the refund process. Refund process is very simple. Here is the original payment made by a patient, and the date is recorded when the payment is made, and here is the appointment date and time is recorded here, and here is the amount the doctor want to refund, that is 600. As the patient pay 600, the refund amount is 600. And if doctor wants, he can enter the reason. Here is the reason poor. So after clicking on payment process, the refund process is successful, and doctor can see this refund details, and these refund details contain the appointment number, patient name, and original payment and refund amount also. And here is the reason we see, and the date and time is also recorded. Processed by a doctor who processed the refund. Here is the doctor's dashboard, and this shows that after refunded, this shows the already refunded badge. Now come to the appointments assistant section. A assistant can register. After register successfully, he will see this message, and from this dashboard an assistant can handles all appointments. Here is the appointments, the assistant dashboard. We can see the appointments here. Every appointment has three options: cancel, reschedule, and complete. an assistant can cancel this appointment, can reschedule and complete. Now see the reschedule option. Here is the reschedule page. In the reschedule page, an assistant can change the time and date according to doctor's availability, and after click on reschedule, the appointment will be rescheduled. And if a assistant want, he can cancel or complete the appointment. If he clicks complete, then it is shown like this green color appointment section. Here is the this appointment is completed, this appointment is completed, this appointment is also completed. After completing the visit with the doctor, an assistant can press the complete button and the appointment is completed. And after completing, there is an option to pay. Here is the receipt option. An assistant can see the receipt also after completing the payment by patient. Here is the payment details. An assistant can see these payment details also. If a assistant press log out, he will logged out from that system. In summary, this slides demonstrates how our system deals with payment, refunds and assistant functionalities. Our goal was to make the appointment process smooth, transparent and user friendly for both patient and doctors. Thank you. Thank you.